Welcome. In this video I will show you how to restart your ASUS VivoBook S15 laptop. To restart your laptop, you just have to click on the start menu icon, then go to power options and then select restart, and then wait until your device is rebooted. Alternatively, if your device is frozen, you can restart it in an easier way. To do that, just press and hold the power button located in the top right corner of your device's keyboard for about 10 to 15 seconds until your device is shut down entirely. Then release the power button and wait for about 5 seconds, and then press the power button once again to turn on your device on. Wait for the ASUS logo to appear on the screen, and right now your laptop is starting again. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.